o'clock in the quiet park. You stood in white, lighting up the dark. Your lips were red, your eyes so bright. The wind just danced around that night. Down on one knee, I held your hand. A simple ring, a perfect plan. With trembling voice I softly said, will you be mine, will you be mine forever instead? Yes, I will, yes, I'll marry you. Tears fell down, but my heart just flew. That little ring upon your hand felt like a dream too good to stand. I pulled you close, held you tight, everything felt so right that night. And suddenly a crashing sound, I hit the cold, hard ground. I opened my eyes, confused and slow. Turns out I fell from the bed below. Half asleep, but my heart still high, reaching out with no one nearby. The one I hugged so full of grace was just a pillow in your place. The ring I swore was shining bright faded away with the fading night. Your white dress turned to a blanket blue. The park became my messy room view. The gentle breeze, a creaky fan, romance gone, wasn't part of the plan. Guess my love life glitched somehow thanks to sleep. I get it now. Yes, I will. Wait, where are you? Now I'm laughing like a fool. That perfect ring, that perfect scene was nothing more than just a dream. Stood up slow, holding my side. Ouch, my knee, there goes my pride. If this is love, then I assume I'll find it, not just in my room.
여보, 여기 가면